Okay guys, so we are here in Vegas and we are staying at the Harrahs Hotel. This is our first time staying here and honestly, our first impression is really good. Like the room, very beautiful, very clean. So this place is super modern. I don't know if they remodeled the rooms, but it doesn't feel old at all. The decorations are really nice. They're very bright and open. One of my favorite things so far is they have a vanity. Was this designed by a girl? I think so, because amazing. Lights up. We have a really, I would say, decent view. It brings in a lot of light into the room. We have a view of Treasure Island, and while the bottom view isn't necessarily the greatest, looking out is really cool. You got a desk, a nice little sitting chair, cute decor. I mean, pretty nice and open. I like it a lot. Okay, so the bed is actually pretty soft. It's not like, oh my God, I'm on a cloud, but it's not like super firm either. Like, I could sleep pretty good on here. Let me see, let me check out the pillows. Oh yeah, it's feather pillows. I'm sorry, I kicked you. So you sink, but it's nice. I like this. This is a nice room. I would 100% stay here again, I think. It's very nice. Right on the side, they have a charging thing, so you could charge your phone. They also have like a USB-C and 2 regular ports plus plugins, so I think that's really cool. And on the side of the desk, they have 2 more plugins that you could do, or strike that. They have 1 more plugin and 2 more USB ports that you could do. Nice little lights. So I think that's really cool. It's like little floating shelves. This is a cool room. I like it a lot. I gotta say though, I think my favorite thing in here is this bougie ass big lamp. It's big. Bougie. So like I said before, the bathroom is really nice. Got nice wide counter space, a really nice open shower, big old shower head. Hopefully like the water pressure is great. Pretty art. It seems very modern and up to date in here. I'd say the only thing I'm not super excited about, the lighting is kind of bad in here, so it'd be harder to do your makeup, but I guess it doesn't matter because there is a vanity. But yeah, I mean, it's very clean. I don't really see anything that's gonna gross me out in here. And then over to the, like when you close the doors where the small little closet is that you could hang some of your stuff up. But yeah, pretty nice.
So I would say the overall rating for the room, if I was to give it, out of 5, I'd give it probably a 4 out of 5. It knocks off points just because the closet is in an inconvenient spot. If you were to hang up your clothes, obviously if you don't hang up your clothes, it doesn't matter. But if you hang up your clothes, it's in an inconvenient spot because the door is massive and it's kind of hard to squeeze in and through and then the desk space, yes, it's a desk space, but they didn't remove the tray that has all those add-ons you can kind of buy and the sensors will purchase, all that stuff. So it takes up the whole desk. Like, it's not even filled. So that's why I'm like, why didn't they just remove it if it's not even filled? So, but overall, this is a nice hotel. I would definitely recommend coming here and booking. For holiday weekend, this is Father's Day weekend. So for holiday weekend, a room was $118 before resorts fee. After resorts fee, which is $50, which is pretty steep, it is $168 for one night. All right, guys, so we're packed up and leaving Harrah's. We did go to the pool yesterday, which was, it's a pool. It's okay. It's nothing special, nothing fancy.
I thought the pool was nice though. Like once we were in it, it was actually fairly big. My only complaint,
the seating sucks.
It's mostly cabanas that you have to rent, and they have just a very small handful of chairs.
And in the morning, obviously that's taken around 11 o'clock. That's when it started to empty up those chairs because obviously people are going to lunch or whatever.
However, the sun is beaming right down, and where the chairs are, there's absolutely no shade whatsoever. So it was hot.
Yeah. So that's the pool. The casino floor, they have a wide variety of games. The food court, they got Chicken Guy. I think Bobby Plays Burgers or just Bobby's Burgers. I don't know who Bobby is.
I don't either. And then pizza.
Okay, the food court has extremely expensive pizza. $15 a slice. Ugh.
I mean, the slice is huge, but $15, not worth it.
And then in the front is pizza cake, which is better. Same size slices, at least for the most part, same size slices for only $10. Mm-hmm. So way cheaper.
Way cheaper,
and
yeah.
Taste amazing.
Mm-hmm. It's not sponsored. We just really, really like their pizza. So,
And then there's a piano bar up front too. That's cool.
And I had seen some videos about Harrah's room. People were complaining like, "Oh, it's dirty, it's dingy, it's like not clean at all." I would say that's not our experience. We had a really clean room. We had room service come in and like make our bed, get us fresh towels. Like everything seemed very clean, and I was pretty impressed overall.
So Harrah's, good job. I would come back again.
Yeah, definitely.